Hello students, this is Mr. Panabaker. I'm coming at you live from my house to help you learn how to log on and access your assignments in Canvas. This video is for my 8th grade students. I already made one for 7th graders, which you can see on my channel. But here I'm going to show you how to log on to Canvas, how to access your assignments, how to submit assignments. Okay, a couple things you should know first. One, Canvas is going to be how we are submitting everything from here on out. We're going to do all of our online learning in Canvas, um, and that's how you're going to get graded. That's how you're going to get participation and attendance. Okay, so it's really important to get on here, look at this stuff. I promise it's easy to understand. Um, it's going to be beneficial for you. Okay, and we're going to be covering some pretty interesting stuff. It's going to be the Civil War. It's going to be very interesting. Okay, so first off, the easiest way to get to Canvas is through Clever. As you can see on my screen, I'm already logged into Clever. Okay, mine might look a little bit different than yours, but not by too much. You need to scroll down and find the Canvas tile. Okay, mine's right here. I've already favorited it. You should. Okay, hit that favorite button in the top corner, make it turn red, because then it'll come up into your favorites bar here. And every time you log in, you can literally just go, boop, click on it, opens it up. Okay, so go ahead, click on Canvas. Again, using your Microsoft 365 information. So that's your school district email address, which is your ID at arvin-do.com. Okay. And then your password, which is capital A, USD, and then the last 4 digits, just the last 4 numbers of your school ID. Okay. Once you log in, this is what you're going to see. Well, you will see a bunch of different tiles of your classes and you'll click on history. Okay. Once you're in the 8th grade US history area class, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this heading, the title. Okay. Oh, look at this over here. In the right hand corner, you have a to do. Okay. Week 1 assignments are due May 8th at 11:59 p.m. That's by midnight this Friday. You need to turn in the assignments for week 1. Okay. Go ahead, scroll down. Oh, look, there's week 1. Okay. You can do it through here as well. Okay. But it's just simplest if you scroll down, do it week by week. Okay. So go ahead and click on week 1. And by the way, this is student view that I'm on right now. So you are seeing exactly what I'm seeing on my screen. You're seeing exactly what you would see when you log in. This is not my teacher page. Okay. We're starting off with the Civil War. Okay, it gives you a little introduction. Oh, here we go. And then it breaks down the 4 different things you're going to be doing every day. Okay, you're going to have a short warm up. Okay, a little bit of vocabulary, usually 1 or 2 words. Okay, a reading section and a writing section. Okay, it says every day. Don't feel like you have to log on every day. You can do this at your own pace. If you want to sit down and do this all in one go, be my guest. As long as you're done by this Friday at midnight. Okay. So go ahead and keep scrolling down. You're going to see an introduction to the week, what you're talking about every day of the week. Okay, so we're going to look today at Monday. Okay, what are the ways both enslaved and free people resisted slavery? Okay, think of that as your essential question for the day. Right? Tells you the standards. Don't worry too much about those. Those are more for me and your teachers than for you. Okay, go ahead and hit next. That's how it gets you to the next page. Okay, it's loading. Here we go. Okay. Usually your warm up is going to take the form of this, right? Remember when I had you all do image analysis in classroom where we look at a picture and we would see what things we notice in the picture? That's sort of what they're having you do here. But instead of just telling you, okay, write down what you see, they're going to give you a couple of questions. Here are your questions. What do you see in these images? What do these images have in common? Okay. What I would do if I were you is look over the page, see all of the instructions and stuff that are on there. Okay. And then you need to come up top here and click Submit Assignment. Okay. I'm showing you the easiest way to do this. So you hit Submit Assignment, and you have a bunch of different options in here. You can submit a Google Drive document. You can submit pictures if you want to write it out and take a picture. That works. Okay. This is the easiest option. Hit text entry, because in text entry, you are entering text. You are typing. Okay. Once you have typed your answer, and don't worry, it didn't take away the picture, because the picture and questions are still right up here. You scroll back up. Okay. Once you look at those, you go ahead, you write in your answer, you submit it, boom. It says submitted in the corner, gives you the time, the date, yay, gives you a little bit of confetti on the screen, okay? And that assignment is done. That's just the warm-up portion, okay? So again, you're gonna come down, click through, it'll take you to the vocabulary, okay? And this one's sort of like a quiz. Hit take quiz, that'll open up for you. It'll give you the word, usually, it's still loading. Good. It'll give you a picture or sometimes pictures, okay? It'll give you a definition, some explanations, okay? And then it'll just tell you to write in a sentence, okay? And then explain what you think it means. Same thing, type it in, okay? You have 2 words, it looks like this time around, okay? And when you're done, hit submit quiz, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go. It auto scores you, okay? Which is super helpful. It'll take you to the reading and learning portion, okay? And it'll walk you through some really cool stuff. These are all resources. Here, it's still loading. These are all resources that came from this time, okay? So you're not just sitting there looking at a textbook page. You're not, oh, well, that's fun. Anyhow, there are videos, okay? It's not just some boring textbook stuff, okay? Once you've read over everything, there's another little quiz, very straightforward. You head over to the very last part, and again, you're going to have 5 sections that look like that, okay? All you have to do is answer this question, okay? How do people today resist ideas and laws they believe are unfair? Now, look at this question. It's asking about today. You just have to use knowledge that's in your head, okay? How do people today resist ideas and laws they believe are unfair? Okay, same thing, hit submit assignment, text entry, just type it in, and you hit submit, okay? That's 1 day of this week down, very straightforward, okay? I promise you it's interesting. They put a lot of good stuff in here, and I'm gonna upload some additional videos that you don't have to watch, but you can to help you with the material. If you have any questions, guys, go ahead, log on to Teams, shoot me a message, go on to Schoolwise, shoot me a message, email, whatever you want, get a hold of me, get the help you need, okay? I'm here to help you. Miss you guys. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you are managing to not only get your stuff done, but also hopefully relax and have a little bit of fun at least, even though things are kind of weird. I hope sooner than later we can get back in the classroom. I know it's not happening this year, um, but proud of you guys. Keep up the good work, and we'll talk soon. Hannah Baker out.